Well, good evening, Noswonky here. Oh, you guys get in the car. What happened?
Don't worry. I bought this one.
Oh, that's the one you were talking about?
Yeah. A little bit small, but my favorite staff, her name is Judy. She said if you keep always wear open, it's no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very exciting.
Yeah.
Vinny's.
Venice, dangerous place.
It's a dangerous place.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go and have a picnic.
Yeah.
We're now getting takeaway food at this cafe.
You look creamy.
You were kidnapped by a criminal. I don't know what she's talking about. There's our food.
Behave yourself.
What do you got there?
And this is some salad.
Yep.
Very healthy.
And I got a toasty.
Boring toasty.
Can't beat it.
Looks very cute. Aren't you? Oh! Coochie. You look very innocent, but I know you. You are naughty. Would you like to have? Kanpai.
Yuko's taunting him with a chip that she doesn't intend to give him.
No.
There's one over there too. In that other car. Oh. I think that one's on our roof now.
Oh, another one. A new one.
We're being harassed by birds.
We're being harassed by you.
What do you think about it, Yuko?
Not bad.
It's okay, as long as they can't get in.
It's okay, you can come.
I'm afraid to open the door
No.
in case they come in.
Yeah. They're coming in.
You can hear them on the roof.
They know if you're very close and chun they are afraid, but they know this is glass. So ignore.
They understand glass.
Yeah.